any idea how big this is? If Weintraub wants somebody to read a script, it's gonna happen.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get the recipe for a store-bought pie?
Oh, I didn't think of that.
I have no idea. What do you think, Sans? Sans?
That guy's such a jerk.
Why is Weintraub a jerk?
Not Weintraub, the other guy's Spencer.
What a pretentious ass.
Oh, yeah, man, that guy was pissing me off, too. I've never met anybody that pompous in my whole life.
Oh, I don't know, guys. I thought he was kind of interesting, actually.
What? Oh, come on.
Brad, that guy's a total jerk.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Just because he's read a lot of books?
No, not because he's read a lot of books, because he wouldn't shut up about how many books he's read.
I think you're just jealous because you never learned how to read.
Look, we can all basically agree that Sandy's illiterate, but Fred, get to the issue. Why are you defending that guy?
I'm not defending him, Brad. I'm just saying the guy's read a lot of books, and I think that's kind of impressive.
Oh, so you find somebody like Stalin impressive. I mean, after all, he's killed a lot of people.
Well, technically, yes, Sandy. He was impressive in the genre of mass murder.
Guys, will you just leave Stalin out of this? Fred, the real issue is this. Do you or do you not think that Spencer is a jerk?
Yeah.
Of course he is. A well-read jerk.